Quanda, the face behind Crafty LLC, I help everyday people use their creativity, AI, simple tools to bring their ideas to life, grow the skills, and build confidence. One thing that helps me manage my ideas is keeping one master list, not 10 notebooks, 7 screenshots, 3 apps, and a random piece of paper I will never find again. One list I separate into content ideas, product ideas, projects in progress, and things that need to get completed first. This helps me see what deserves my attention instead of chasing everything and every new idea I have. Being creative does not mean you have to operate in confusion. So follow me at Crafty LLC for simple organization, content, and business tips created for business creators. And I do have a school community, the Soul Sales Scale, which I am just talking about sewing. And that is on the school platform. And it's the Sew, SCW, Sale, SCLL, Scale, SCALE Academy on the school platform. So comment so below if you want more information, and that is SEW. See you on the inside.